wash day, and today we're using the Scalp Therapy Kit from Alodia Hair Care. The first step is to apply their SOOTHE hair and scalp oil all over your scalp. You can let this stay in from 15 minutes up to 24 hours, and it relieves any itch or anything you may be experiencing, and trust me when I tell you, it lives up to its name. Next, we're going to shampoo using their organic black soap hair wash, and I've never used the shampoo of this consistency before, this thin and liquidy, so I was kind of curious as to how it would lather, but as you can see, it lathered quite well. I applied it directly to my scalp as well as my hair strands. You can see it got really sudsy, and it did a really good job of cleaning my scalp and my hair, especially after having the SOOTHE oil in all day. There was no trace of that left behind. So now we're going to nourish and hydrate with their deep conditioning mask, and I applied this while in the shower still, and you can see here it's a really thick but yet still creamy consistency, which I absolutely love. And putting it on my hair, it felt like butter. You can see that my brush is just gliding straight through my hair, which is not something I'm always able to do. Having thick type 4 hair, I'm not usually able to do this easily. But this deep conditioning made it so soft and easy to comb through. So I ended up falling asleep with the deep conditioner in my hair, which is absolutely fine. So here we are the next day, rinsing it out. And once again, you can see it's so soft and easy to detangle and just run my fingers through. And I had extremely little to no shedding while I was detangling. I was so shocked. So the last step is to apply the leave-in conditioner, which is their Nourish and Moisturize hair cream. And as you can see, it also has a very thick yet creamy consistency, and I apply this while still in the shower because I have low porosity hair, so the heat and the steam from being in the shower helps open up my hair cuticles so that the product can really absorb into my hair strands and do what it is I need it to do as a leave-in conditioner. And the results, as you can see, here we have it. My hair feels so soft. I feel like it's visibly looks soft. My scalp feels so clean and so calm, which I'm going to attribute a lot of that to that SOOTHE oil. But everything just feels amazing. And I'm going to say my curls don't look half bad either, if I do say so myself. Absolutely love it. Alodia Hair Care Scalp Therapy Kit, 2 thumbs up from me.